Hey folks, the Nikon Z50 II, launched on November 7, 2024, represents an upgraded APS-C mirrorless camera model tailored for the younger generation of photographers and content creators. Nikon's aim with this release was to build on the success of the 2019 Nikon Z50, which had made an impact among enthusiasts looking for a compact, versatile mirrorless option. With the Z50 II, Nikon brings fresh features and enhanced usability at a competitive starting price of £849 for the body-only model, whereas the original Z50 had debuted at £899. As the Z50 has aged and seen price reductions, it's still available at discounted rates. However, the Z50 II offers enough advancements to make it appealing to new buyers looking for a camera optimized for modern creative demands. One significant enhancement in the Nikon Z50 II is its faster and more user-friendly picture control system. While the original Z50 had customizable picture controls, which allowed users to adjust color, contrast, sharpness, Z50 II simplifies this process further with a dedicated picture control button, making these adjustments faster and more intuitive. This button allows instant access to preset filters and custom color settings, empowering photographers and videographers to easily create their desired aesthetic. Additionally, Z50 II is only second Nikon model to offer Nikon Cloud software support, enabling photographers to download and apply various shooting recipes directly to their cameras. One of the most notable physical upgrades in the Z50 II is its electronic viewfinder. The Z50 II has an EVF with a brightness of 1000 candela per square meters, doubling the 500 candela per square meters output of the original Z50. This higher brightness makes it easier to use in sunny or high-contrast lighting, ensuring that details are visible without glare or eye strain. The EVF can also be dimmed more effectively in low-light settings, helping photographers avoid harsh brightness at night or in darker environments. Complementing the EVF upgrade is a larger 3.2-inch vari-angle screen. The original Z50's 3-inch tilting monitor was useful for some angles, but the Z50 II's vari-angle screen makes it even more practical, especially for vlogging or taking selfies. This flexible screen design is also more convenient for those who use tripods, as the vari-angle display can be adjusted easily without obstruction. In terms of processing power, the Z50 II stands apart thanks to Nikon's XSpeed7 processor. The original Z50, while competent, used older processing technology. The inclusion of the XSpeed7 in the Z50 II puts it on par with Nikon's higher-end cameras like the Z9, Z8, and Z6 III. This processor upgrade enables several significant performance benefits, including enhanced subject detection for better autofocus accuracy and a variety of detection modes tailored for different types of subjects. The XSpeed7 also supports pre-release capture at 15 or 30 frames per second, allowing the camera to start capturing frames even before the shutter is fully pressed, an invaluable feature for fast-moving subjects. The camera's autofocus system is now more responsive in AFA mode, with improved tracking of subjects that might suddenly move. These upgrades make the Z50 II a much stronger choice for capturing dynamic scenes. Nikon has also geared the Z50 II towards the vlogging and content creation community, adding features to cater specifically to video production. The camera supports 4K recording at 60 frames per second, as well as oversampled 4K at 30 pi from a 5.6K capture, delivering better clarity and less noise in video footage. The inclusion of N-Log support provides videographers with more flexible color grading options, enabling a professional look for edited footage. Additionally, live streaming is now possible directly from the camera without the need for Nikon's webcam utility software, making the Z50 II convenient for users who live stream on platforms like YouTube or Twitch. Another unique video feature is the product review mode, which allows the camera's autofocus to switch between focusing on the subject's face and any product held up to the camera. This feature, similar to the product priority mode on Fujifilm's XS20 and the product showcase mode on Sony's ZV-E10, is ideal for vloggers and influencers who need quick, reliable focus transitions while filming product demonstrations or reviews. With the combination of a newer processor, better EVF, vari-angle display, enhanced video features, and seamless connectivity options, The Nikon Z50 II represents a comprehensive upgrade over the original Z50. These features collectively make it an appealing choice for the content creator generation, aligning with the needs of photographers and videographers who require quick access to custom settings, robust video capabilities, and enhanced processing power. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.